In this video, I am going to show you on how you can delete columns in ClickUp. So without further ado, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to app.clickup.com and log in to your ClickUp account. Once you're inside the main dashboard, you're going to go to the project that you want to add a column on, or delete rather a column on. Now, let's have this project. For example, now I have these fields for the name, assignee, the status, the due date, and priority. For all these five, I cannot delete these columns because this is already or automatically generated once I make a table view. However, if I add a customized column right here, let's just say I'm gonna make a random name, then enter, or I can even choose one of the selected and create. Since this is a custom column, when I right click on it, I have the option to delete this field. Click here and then confirm. As easy as that. So, if you find this video helpful and want to support our channel, feel free to use the affiliate link given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.